All right, in this video, I want to show you how you can send out a direct link to anyone that you need to send a contract or client agreement or some type of document that they need access to or to be able to sign. There is a way that you can send out a direct link versus an email. Um, so let's go to payments, and we're going to go to payments in the menu on the left. We're going to go to documents and contracts, and then we're going to go to templates. Okay, so templates should be where all of your contracts templates are located. That way you can send them out to specific people. So let's say if I have a template that I want to send out. All right, so let's click on the sample one I got here. All right, so let's say I'm ready to use this template. I've checked everything on it to make sure it looks good. Okay, so I have my template and I want to use this. I'm going to click use template in the upper right hand corner. And then you can also do this from the actual template page when you click on the three dots, and I'll show you that in a minute as well too. Matter of fact, let me show you now. Well, I have to wait. All right. So now this is the one that we want to actually send out to our client or our customer. Okay, so let's say if we want to send this to Jane. Okay, so it's telling me that she has to have a first or last name, which is fine. Let's click on one that actually has some information in it that we need. Okay, so here's Charlie. And if we want to send this, if you press the send button, right, it gives you the option to send via email and share via link. Now, normally we just send it out via email and it'll give you Charlie's email address. And then our template, our sample template of what would go out. But let's say if we wanted to send it out via a link, okay? So the link that will go out is, so let's click on the generate links button first. Okay, so we click on our generate links button, and then here are the links that are created for each signer. So let's say if you have more than one signer, there will be multiple here. There'll be more than one link here. So everybody gets their own individual link. So if you don't want to send it out via email, or if you don't, if maybe the email isn't working or they're just not receiving it, you don't want to have to, send it back out. You can just copy this link right here, and you can provide them with their own specific link. Just make sure that you send it to Charlie, and don't send it to your other recipient by accident. But you can come in here and copy this link, give it to Charlie via text message. You can give it to him through another. You can give it to him through a invoice. You can give it to him through email, text message. Anything, any other way that you want to communicate with the client or the lead or what have you. You can just provide them that link. That'll give them the link just for their own copy to sign. All right. So that's another way that you can get the link. So just want to be clear that this is different from the generate link. Let me show you what this is so you can understand too. So this link is an individual link for that particular client or lead. Okay. Now that is different from the link that you will get from, let's see if I go to templates, and this is in the other video that we have about generating a link. That's different from the public documents link. This public documents link is for anybody to be able to access, and it will have them enter in their first and last name and their email address. But that's for access for anybody. The other link that I just showed you is specific to that client. Okay. All right. So, and just wanted to show you as well too that I mentioned earlier about another way to get to the use template, so that way you can send out this information, or send out or create and assign people to, or clients and your customers to, that particular um, agreement or document or contract. You just click on the three dots. We're back here in the template section. You just click on the three dots, and then you just select use template. So it'll take you to the exact same page that we were working through. All right. All right.